আসসালামু আলাইকুম, ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু স্কুল অফ ইংলিশ বাই মুশফিকা। আমরা আজকের ক্লাস থেকে শিখব অক্সিলারি ভার্ব হিসেবে ডু, ডাস, ডিড এর ব্যবহার। যখন ডু, ডাস বা ডিড হয় তখন আমরা মেইন ভার্ব হিসেবে কোনটা নিব? ভার্ব 1, ভার্ব 2 নাকি ভার্ব 3? আজকে আমরা গানে গানে শিখব। ওকে? Come, came, come. Let's play a game. Okay. One day, verb 1, verb 2, verb 3 came. Bolo.
One day, verb 1, verb 2, verb 3 came.
Verb 1, verb 2, verb 3 came. When they saw. Do, does, did. Do, does, did. একদিন একটা বনে ভার্ব 1 এসেছিল, ভার্ব 2 এসেছিল, ভার্ব 3 এসেছিল। যখন তারা দেখলো তিনটা বেয়ার মানে তিনটা ভালুক, একটা ডু, একজন ডাস আর একজন ডিড। when they saw do, does, did, only verb 1 sat with them. শুধু ভার্ব 1 তাদের সাথে বসলো। কে বসেছিল? কোন ভার্বটা?
Verb 1.
তাহলে one day, verb 1, verb 2, verb 3 came. When they saw do, does, did, only.
Verb 1 sat with them.
তাহলে শুধুমাত্র ভার্ব 1 বসবে ডু, ডাস, ডিড এর সাথে। ওকে? নাও can I make a sentence? Okay? If I say anything wrong, you will say the correct answer. Okay? Did you caught a fish? Rishan will answer correctly. Did you caught a fish?
Did you caught a fish?
Wrong. Did you?
Catch a
Yes.
fish?
Did you catch a fish? Very good. Next, Rosa. Did she saw the bird? Did she saw the bird? What will be the correct answer? It's not correct.
Did he?
Did she saw the bird? You will change the verb. Saw. Saw is verb 2.
She see.
Yes.
See the verb.
Did she?
See the verb.
Okay, you need to change the verb because I have said you only verb 1 sat with them. Do, does, did এর সাথে শুধু verb 1 বসেছিল। Now Arjun.
Yes.
Did the boy came here? Did the boy came here?
Did the boy come here?
Wonderful. Give a clap. Did the boy
Come here.
understand? In this way you need to change the verb. Okay?
Okay.
At first sing the song. One day, verb 1, verb 2. When they saw do, does, did, only verb 1 sat with them. Now another question to Rishan. Okay? Does she went?
Does she go?
Very good. Excellent. Now he has understood. Does she go? Okay. Mashallah. Now you. Do we played?
Do you play?
Do we played?
Do you play?
Do we play? Do we play? Do we play? প্লেটটা প্লে হয়ে যাবে, ভার্ব 2টা ভার্ব 1 হবে। ওকে? রোজা, ডু দে স্যাং, এটা আমি বলতে চাই।
Do they sing?
ভেরি গুড। ভার্ব 2 থেকে ভার্ব 1 হয়েছে। নেক্সট অর্জন। ডিড ইউ became happy?
Did you became happy?
No, became will be changed.
Did you become happy?
Did you become happy? তুমি কি খুশি হয়েছিলে? Did you?
Become happy.
Understand? Okay, another question. Does your friend read a book?
Does your friend read a book?
Yes. Does your friend?
Read a book. Read a book.
তার মানে read ছিল verb 2. read read কিন্তু আমরা বলার সময় read বলি, read verb 2 তে read হয় আর স্পেলিংটা সেম. Now you. Do the girls took their bags?
Do the girls take their bags?
Wonderful. He's right. Very good. Now Rosa. We know many verbs, right?
Yes.
Does she drove the car? সে কি গাড়িটা চালায়? Does she drove the car?
Does she drive the car?
Excellent answer. Now Arjun. Do I broke the glass?
Do I break the glass?
Yes. Now you know it. Do, does, did plus verb
Verb
1. Now one by one sing the song. At first Arjun will sing that song. One day,
One day, verb 1, verb 2, verb 3
came.
when they saw
Do,
do, does, did. Only verb 1
sat with them. Only verb 1 sat with them. Now you can ask many questions with do, does, did, right? Okay, start. I will say 5 sentences like this. Did you go? Did you play? Did you eat? Did you see? Did you speak? You will try to say, okay? Rishan,
Did you play?
you.
Did you come?
Did you come?
Did you come?
You.
Did you read? Did you study?
Now do. Do I talk?
Do I say? Do I eat? Do I play? Do I watch?
Very good. Now does. Does everyone sing?
Does everyone dance? Does everyone
Speak English?
Does everyone speak English?
You.
Does everyone eat?
Does everyone?
Eat.
Does everyone play? Does everyone go? Does everyone draw?
Does everyone draw?
Yes.
Does everyone party?
What party? Party is not a verb. Does everyone
Does
arrange a
everyone-
party?
Does everyone came?
Come. Does everyone come?
Does everyone
Thank you so much. So from this class, what have we understood? We need to use verb 1 with do, does and did. And we can ask many questions by using do, does, did. Okay, now say Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamualaikum.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.